Hi there, in this video we're going to talk about a very important step when you're developing a website with Famous.ai and probably pretty much any AI builder that's out there. But I'm going to home in specifically on Famous.ai for this video. As you can see, I am using Chrome here and I have a few tabs open, and all those tabs have something very similar about them, and that is the fav icon is this white rocket with a black background, which is the Famous logo. And well, this is by default the fav icon when you're developing a site with Famous.ai. And all of these people that have created, I believe these are just test sites, but have created these sites have not noticed that they need to change the fav icon. And so we are going to show you now how easy it is. Just one 8-word command, I think it's 8 words, to make it change. But let's just go through these sites and just work out what they could do to make these fav icons. So this site here already has a little icon with a goat on. That could be very easily made into a fav icon if they don't have a logo. This one here has a nice WP in a white circle. That would look great as a fav icon. This site here has a little storybook, and that would look great as a fav icon. This one doesn't really have any branding. I think this is a test site, but even a green square just to depict that this site is different to all the other ones. This one here is a template, and so it doesn't actually hasn't actually been turned into a business. It's a really nice template of a landing page with an FAQ and sales page area, but still, the template could have its own fav icon of just a circle with the orange to purple gradient. There would be pretty awesome. This one here could just have a gold star, just so it stands out from all the other white rockets on black squares. This one here is a backgammon analyzing app, and I actually want to look more into how this is working. It sounds really cool, but the icon could be a backgammon game piece, which would look pretty cool. This one here is a building or a hotel, so it could just be a hotel icon or something like that. And finally, this one here was actually developed by me, and I didn't do this yet because I wanted to show you how easy it is to take a very simple. This is a quiz funnel. I'm just at the end of the quiz, which is asking me how I, my details. But let me show you how to take this icon and turn it into the fav icon. It is very simple. We're going to go into Famous and we're literally going to type, please use the attached, and probably spelling it right would help, but in this case it didn't matter. Please use the attached PNG file as the fav icon for this site, and then upload the PNG file, preferably with a transparent background or the color of the background that you want it to have. Upload it, and within a few seconds, Famous will come back and say it's uploaded the fav icon to use, in this case, Gordon's Magic logo. So it's actually looked at the image to see what it was, and it's realized that it's the Gordon's Magic logo. He's modified the index.html to replace the placeholder fav icon, which is the rocket, with the icon that it's uploaded to CloudFront. Okay, and then it's added multiple fav icon formats so that it works with mobile, Android, Chrome, Safari, anyone using Firefox. What about Netscape? All of those. And then from there, we then click on publish and publish. I'd already done this. So it says your app has published. But what I haven't done is refresh this page to see whether it actually works. So maybe not the smartest thing to do on a live call, but let's just go ahead and refresh this page, and boom, now that fav icon is the logo. It's very tiny, but hey, look, out of all these black and white rockets, it now stands out as being branded to everything else. And it doesn't need to be super detailed. You don't really want it super detailed. I think the smallest this actually displays is 16 pixels by 16 pixels. So not very much detail is going to go into those smaller favicons. And so very, very simple, one little command. Please use the attached PNG file as the favicon for this site. Boom, it gets done and your site looks so much better. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more tips from me on how to get the best out of Famous.ai. Thank you.